Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wanted to create a professional-looking four-fold brochure but felt a bit overwhelmed by graphic design software, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stunning four-panel brochure in Canva. By the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how you need to design, customize, and finish a brochure that really stands out, whether it's for an event, a business, or a creative project. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a user-friendly, web-based design tool that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. So open up your browser, type in canva.com, and log into your account or create one if you haven't yet. Give yourself a moment here because getting comfortable with the workspace will make everything else much easier. Next step, go ahead and click on that big Create button, usually right at the top of your dashboard. This is where you'll start your new project. Now, instead of choosing one of Canva's preset sizes, we need a custom size to match the unique dimensions of a four-fold brochure. Look for the custom size option. It's usually located just below the popular template sizes. Here, type in 100 for the width and 50 for the height. You can use centimeters or millimeters depending on your region, but what matters most is keeping the proportion consistent. If you're wondering why these dimensions are important, it's because having the right canvas size ensures your brochure folds perfectly and all your design elements line up just right. Think of it like making sure your ingredients are measured out before you start a recipe. Now create your new project with those custom dimensions. Your blank canvas will open up, ready for you to transform it into a functional and eye-catching brochure. From here, you'll want to set up guides that divide your space into 4 equal sections. This is where the folds of your brochure will be, and having guides helps you design each panel separately without anything overlapping by accident. So head up to the File menu at the top left and click into Settings. There you'll see an option to Add Guide. Go ahead and choose Custom and set it to 4 columns. This is like laying out invisible boundaries to help organize your content. They'll keep your layout tidy and make sure every panel has just the right amount of space. Alright, now the fun really begins. Start adding your designs, text, images, and logos, whatever you'd like to showcase in your brochure. Don't be afraid to get creative here. Canva makes it super easy with its drag-and-drop elements and a treasure trove of templates, fonts, and illustrations. Try to think about what each panel will do. Maybe one for the cover, the next for your introduction, one for details, and the fourth for contact info or a cool graphic. Take your time arranging things. Remember, this step is where your personality or your brand's vibe can really shine through. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You've set your size, divided it into 4 panels, and brought your design to life. If things don't look perfect at first, don't worry, just tweak and adjust until you're happy. Canva even lets you preview your brochure so you can see exactly how it'll look when it's printed and folded. Thanks for sticking with me. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about designing brochures or using Canva. And of course, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a handy tutorial like this one. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.